Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cocktail Blog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today we are making a Dead Man's Handle by Tiffany Kirk of Miss Carousel in Houston. This cocktail is actually very close or very reminiscent of a cocktail I've done quite some time ago, which was a part-time lover, which was tequila, Aperol, and elderflower liqueur. So, except it had lemon juice. This one has lime, and this one also, in place of the elderflower, has an almond syrup. So similar, but a little bit different. This one's going to be, I'm quite excited to try this one. I say this every single time I go to start a video. I'm quite excited to try it, but I am. Tequila, lime, and Aperol, they're really good flavors that go well together. And also, announcement before we get started, we're about to hit 500,000 subscribers, which absolutely blows my mind. It was only about a year ago that we hit about 250, so we've doubled the number of subscribers, and we're working on lots of content. I have mentioned a few times, we're gonna do Cat Cam, and we're gonna have a new studio, and iOS app is coming out. We're working on it, everything is coming. I'm sorry, I probably put out a teaser a little bit too soon in that respect, but we've got plenty of cocktails to come, plenty of content, and to celebrate with the 500,000, we're going to do five for 500K. So 5 videos, hopefully back to back, day after day, but maybe not. And the last one, there's actually a couple of really interesting drinks and themes for the videos. So one will be cocktails from movies, one will be cocktails from particular countries that a lot of people have been requesting. I was a little bit hesitant to do the movies one, but that's what you guys want. So I'll let you have that. Yes?
Give it everything away.
But there is one particular cocktail that I am not looking forward to trying. So make sure you stay tuned. It may be the first time on the channel that I throw up. So I'm not looking forward to it, but it will be entertaining nonetheless. And the last video will probably end up in an obligatory shots video. So stay tuned. On to the cocktail itself. Yes, Kat? Any shot requests, let me know in the comments below. And also, I've put a poll up on the channel so you can answer what cocktail is popular in your country, but you'll have to answer that quickly. So let's start with the tequila. So we've got a Blanco Tequila. This is actually aged for 45 days, but 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of your preferred tequila, followed by Aperol. So an aperitif, subtle bit of liqueur, some grapefruit notes, rhubarb, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. Then we have an almond syrup, and 15 ml, half an ounce of this. Nice, simple, easy to remember cocktail, 4 ingredients. Then we're adding fresh lime juice. Can't seem to find my press anywhere, so I'll have to settle for this, the juicer. Which I think is actually more efficient at juicing. 15 ml, half an ounce of fresh lime. And then add some ice. Give it a shake. And then we're going to serve it in a stemless wine. Some people call it a tulip glass with crushed ice. So we might just go ahead and strain it straight in first. I very often get asked where I get my glassware from as well. Mainly on the kind of vintage glassware. So secondhand stores, trash and treasure places, thrift shops, op shops. This particular one I received as a sample from a supplier. I recently purchased a lot of new glassware, so you'll see some pretty cool looking glassware on the channel in the next couple of videos. So plenty of crushed ice, keep it nice and cold, serve it with a straw. And for garnish, this one the original calls for a Tajin, what do you call it? Tajin, like it's a Mexican spice rub. I believe it has lime, chili, and something else. But I don't have it, so I'm going to substitute for chili flakes. So I've at least got some of it in there. Otherwise, a lime wheel, nice and simple. So there you have a dead man's handle. Cheers. It's not as bitter as I was expecting it to be. It is a little bit, but the tequila is the hero, those like soft agave notes. This has been aged for 45 days, so it sees a little bit of contact with the wood, so it softens it and mellows it out. But the agave is the most prominent here. And then you've got some sort of grapefruit and almond notes that sweeten it up as well. It's got a beautiful nose to it as well, quite aromatic. I quite enjoy this. It's nice, simple, 4-ingredient cocktail. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the 5 for 500K, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail. Cheers.
It's gonna get crazy.
It's gonna get crazy.